Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today we are going to continue our discussion on HTML. But today our topic will start on HTML text formatting. So quickly, let's get started. HTML text formatting. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. For example, this text is bold because, as you can see, it's very darker and thick than all these ones, and this one is different too. This one is italic. This text here is italic. This is subscript. We have lower subscript and this is upper subscript too. This one is subscript. This one here is subscript. So HTML formatting elements. Formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. Bold. The HTML B tag produces bold text. The strong tag produces important text. The I tag for italic text. The EM tag for emphasized text. The mark tag for marked text. The small tag for small text. The DEL tag for deleted text. The INS tag for inserted text. The SUB tag for subscript text. The SUP tag for superscript text, and so on and so forth. We have a bunch of them. We have a lot of it. So quickly today we are going to discuss about the B tag and the strong tag. HTML B and strong elements. The HTML B element defines bold text without any extra importance. That is, when we give the opening and closing B tag, inside it when we write text is bold. The text is going to be bold and without any importance. Any other element can override it. In the future, we are going to talk about the importance very well so you can know how it works. The HTML strong element defines text with strong importance. The strong importance, the content inside is typically displayed in bold. For example, when we write the opening and closing strong tag along with the text that we want to write inside, this text here is going to be bold and no other element can override it just anyhow, like this B for bold tag. This one is a strong bold tag that no other element can override it anyhow, unless you treat it by yourself. So quickly, let's give some example. In our former document, we are having this little poem, this little words here, this little text. So we can use this. This is what we show here. As you can see, when I reload this, you can see we have here, it's going to reload. When we reload it, you see how it looks. So we want to change some of this text, especially this top 10 strength today. We want to change it to bold. So for example, we will write the br tag here, the b tag, the b tag. After we write the b tag, we will enclose it, the opening and closing b tag. As you can see, inside it we will write top 10 strength and save it. Let us reload it, and you will see this top 10 strength will be bold. Can you see? It works. And again, we can use it like this. From here, we can write the b tag completely and put it inside our thing like this. Can close it like this. As you can see, let's reload it and see how it looks. This my bunny here is going to be bold. All this text here, this paragraph is going to be bold. Can you see? It's bold. My bunny lies over the ocean. So the reason why my bunny lies might come to the top here is because of the br tag that we removed. I purposely did that so you can be able to go back to our former tutorial when we discussed about br tag. You will get to understand the deep explanation about the br tag. So let's put it back, so for it to give us the way, to show it the way it was. Can you see now? This my bunny lies over the ocean. So now let's use the strong tag. Strong tag. Let's take the text and put it here. And save it. Now the text is inside this place. We give it opening and closing tag, as you can see. Here is the opening strong tag, and this is the closing strong tag, along with our br tag. You get to understand the facts about this today. So let's reload our document. Oh, bring by my bunny to me. As you can see, this comes clearly and it's fine. It's also bold. But you will notice something here. Let's remove the br tag to see the magic inside the strong tag and save it. When we save our document, let's reload it again. Can you see? Oh, bring back my bunny. Because our br tag is not here again, as you can see, when we put it back now, it's still arranged. Can you see? Everything is arranged. I want you to understand the point. This strong tag here, we can put star here also, like our font size. Let's say 23%. It will reduce the size of this strong tag here. Let's see. Can you see? It reduces the size. So we can do a lot of things with it. Let's now check with b tag also. Can you see it works again with the b tag? So inside our b tag, let's say inside our b tag, as you can see, let's give this one like this, do this one like this, so you can see it clearly. Inside our b tag, we can style it. We can style our b tag. We can even give it, from our former video we discussed something about font family. We can give it font family. Let's say we give it Georgia. And save it. Let's see how our b tag will look. See this, you will see how it looks. Can you see? It's not different to this one. Let's give it another style, like here, Algerian. Let's give it Algerian here and see if it's changed. Algerian. And let's save it and come back to our document. Let's reload it. Can you see? It's changed. So we can add any style attribute also. We can add some styles on it. Same goes to the strong tag too. Let's go to the strong tag and add all this. Save it. Let's increase this one a bit. Let's give it 50%. It will come out. This one will come up a little than this. So let's reload it. As you can see, oh, bring my bunny to me. I hope you can understand the fact about the strong tag and the b tag. They both works very nicely, but in some other cases, when we are writing our codes, there will be a situation whereby you will have to use the strong tag instead of choosing the b tag, because the strong tags has most importance on it, and this one, some things can override it. So I think we are done today. From our example so far, you can see that the b tag, let me clear it very well so you can see what we wrote. The b tag, as you can see, this is what we use today. The b tag and the strong tag, we use the, when you are using the b tag, you are going to use the opening tag and the closing tag, as you can see like this. The strong tag also goes with opening and closing tags. Don't forget our warnings about the closing tag. If you don't put it, it may work, but it will definitely give a problem later. Maybe you want to do something that is important, it can bring some errors. So any tags that use the closing tag, try to put it there. So let's save this and see how our document looks. As you can see, my bunny lies over the ocean. Oh, bring my bunny. Let's write just ordinary p tag and see how it looks. P tag. Wow. strong and b tags seems to be bold. Can you see? This one is light than this text here because this one is strong tag for bold. The p tag is also for bold. This p tag is having the bold, but the bold is not much like the strong one and the p tag. So I think we are done today. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. As you can see this place, we use this one to break the gap because if we don't use it, let's remove it. I want to show you this clearly. I want my people to understand this very clearly. You can see that is the reason why I put this BR tag. That is the reason why when I put the BR tag after this closing B tag, it's going to jump the line. It's going to break it for us. So this is very neat now. As you can see, you can watch our former video about the BR tag. You get to understand much more better about it. So quickly, thank you everyone for today. Once again, and what is here? Akorede Ayofe. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.